Dan from the Manjaro ARM project, we were kind of back and forthing in the Matrix room, and we were talking about QR codes, and I think they're really neat. And I see them showing up more and more often, and I mean, it's really pretty easy to just, almost take a picture of them and then, do your thing. And he noted that there is a project or a command that you can use, qrencode, that will create you a QR code. And it is actually on in the CentOS repos. So so just a quick DNF install qrencode, or it seemed to me, I did by the way, if you ever want to know where, if a package is packaged by your distribution, pkgs.org.
Oh, yeah.
Go there because, well, number one, they need your support, but also number two, it'll just tell you. I mean, it's got everything. So typed in qrencode. Turns out Slackware has it, Ubuntu has it, everybody has it. This is a very prolific. Yeah, and it's been around for quite a long time. In the mid-2000s is when it originally showed up. But anyway, it's actually pretty simple. So it's qrencode. You choose the level, and then you choose the output file name, whatever you want that to be, and then you choose what you want the QR code to actually say. And in our case, or at least the very first one that I did, was https://linuxuserspace.show. No, this is not another housekeeping section. It just happens to be that really was the first thing I typed in there.
Well, of course.
And this camera can see it. I don't know if this camera can see it, but there-ish.
Yeah, I can kind of see it.
I'm pointing at it. I think there's probably glare. You probably can't see it or whatever. But there's the QR code's actually on the screen behind me, because that's where I created it. It was actually really easy to do. I was kind of surprised. And it turns out you can like tweak it to be like bigger and more complex, or smaller and just very, relaxed for a QR code is kind of, it's going a little far.
Right.
It's static, man. That looks like a TV that is on the wrong channel.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, so I thought I would look in a little further and see, well, maybe there's like a GUI one or something, just some other app, right? So first thing I do is hit up the old DuckDuckGo, right? There's got to be a better word for search than DuckDuckGo it. Can't say DDG it. It doesn't make it. Anyway, whatever. Not the topic. Topic is QR codes. So I go to DuckDuckGo and I search for QR code like application. I forget what I had searched. And then DuckDuckGo's like, all right, here's a QR code for the word application.
You requested. There it is.
Oh, that is some, that is some meta stuff. So I was like, wait a minute. So you're telling me DuckDuckGo just and yes, the answer is yes. If you want a QR code, you literally just type in QR space code space
whatever
the thing, and it'll make you a QR code just for that. And I don't know, because I'm the most unoriginal guy ever. I did https://linuxuserspace.show, and you know what? They both work.
Nice.
qrencode, DuckDuckGo, they both work. So yeah, if you're a command line junkie, qrencode. If you are not, just use DuckDuckGo. I suppose Google will probably do it for you. Maybe Brave too. Thought it was super neat. You may or may not just start seeing QR codes pop up everywhere now.
Yeah.
Because I can make them say whatever I want.
Yeah, we could send it to places. Mm-hmm.
The one thing I can't do now is, I've seen some really cool QR codes. They're like pictures, but then like integrated into the picture, or even as part of the QR code. It's like got some cool, really artistic stuff. And for some reason, I've got into pixel art. So maybe there might be like some kind of weird crossover going to happen.
Ooh, I'm excited for that.